If you want to get always on a display on the Samsung Galaxy A27, then in that case we need to actually download an app that allows us to use always on a display. So what we can do is we can go to the Play Store, then over here we can search for always on a display. There we go. And you should be able to find many example apps that at least in theory should allow you to get always on a display. In my case, I'm going to use this app over here, Movie's Edge. I've been using it before and I think it's pretty cool, but of course, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store in case you don't like this one. So I'm going to install it. I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to find AOD, and how we can customize it. All right, so once we have the app ready, we're going to open it. We need to grant some permissions. So we're going to tap on Draw Over Apps, wait for the next screen to appear. And then over here, we need to simply find Movie's Edge. Our phone should scroll down to that app immediately. And we're going to turn this on over here. Let's go back. Now over here, we can switch to AOD. And as you can see, we have many different always on display styles that we can use. As free users, unfortunately, we cannot really customize them. We can just use them as they are. But let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. Now, if you like it, you can tap on Apply button over here, and that's all you have to do. However, in addition to that, I can also recommend you going to Settings. And if you go to Always on Display over here, you can, for example, make sure that it is enabled. You can adjust the brightness of AOD. You can also choose when AOD should be shown on the lock screen, so whether it should be always while charging on or only when you are listening to music. You can also choose the AOD timeout, which is set to 5 minutes by default, which is a pretty long time. You can make it shorter, let's say 10 seconds. And there is also how we can close the always on display screen. So in this case, we have double tap, but I think I want to switch it to single tap in my case. You can, of course, don't change that if you don't really want to have single tap. That's up to you. And there we go. Now, once we have everything set up, we can go ahead and lock our phone. And there we go. We have always on display. We can tap once or twice, of course, in order to go to the lock screen if you want to. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.